I started my journey at Attitude Academy 8 years ago. My motive to join it was to give professional training to the students and make them perfect in the field of account. Let me share how I come up with the idea of teaching. Previously, I was working as an accountant in practice and used to hire candidates for myself and as well as my clients. My client always used to complain me that Turab sir, can you please provide a good accountant? That means गुड अकाउंटेंट मीन्स एक ऐसा आदमी जो उनकी सारी अकाउंट्स प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर कर सके. सो फार माई रिसर्च आई वेंट so many consultancy firms, colleges as well as institution also to find out a good perfect accountant for myself and my clients. But what I found there, only BCom, MCom, MBA pursuing student, but still no guarantee of the perfect or good accountant. According to me, a perfect accountant means a person should be who can deliver what his employer wants. Then I thought that is a better way to help the student in training. I put all my knowledge and experience to give training to the students and to make them a perfect man in respective fields. So that's why I joined Attitude Academy.
Lakhs of students pass out college every year. But as per the recent research, 20% of them get their desired job. Now this is very crucial thing as it increases the risk of unemployment in youth. So if we dream of a developed India, we must scale up our youth. At this point, Attitude Academy has been in the race since last 10 years. Attitude Academy has designed their courses in the way that it meets the requirement of current job market. We train our students with 90% practical training and live projects. We always try to assist our students to get placed with the good jobs. We counsel them to choose their right option irrespective to their interest of their programs. We enroll them in Attitude Academy to fulfill their dreams.
The study material is uniquely prepared by our certified and experienced trainer to meet the actual need of various industries. And it becomes very easy for the students to learn and explore their fields of expertise. And to sum up all of these things, our training program becomes more focused on skill and job oriented.
Attitude Academy is training more than 20 sectors like retail, manufacturing, telecom, BPO, etc. Our mission is to become India's biggest skill development institution till 2020.